So, as you can see behind me, there's a semi back there. No, it's not my semi. That's what I'm going to get into right now. So, as you know, if you followed my channel, besides farming, which is just my part-time side family business, I have a full-time job. For the whole existence of my channel, I have worked in precision agriculture and GPS systems, mainly for tile plows and trenchers. That's what I did for the last 11 years, but I've made a career change. So I no longer work there. I am now working for a good friend of mine who farms and has a repair business and some other stuff. So I am going to be helping him on his farm, and so this should be a fun adventure. So let's take a look at what I'm working on back here. All right, so this is a Volvo that my buddy got for a really good price. It was a really good deal, and we decided it was going to make a great tender. So right back there you can see the tank that's going to go on it. This thing has a really long frame. We cut about 4 foot off the back of this, and it's down to 23, I believe it's 23 feet from the back of the sleeper to the end of the frame here. And yes, it was longer than that. There was about another 4 or 5 foot on the end here that we already cut off. So if you would have added, I never measured. I should have measured from the front bumper to the back. We probably would have been really close to 40 foot long on a straight truck. So this thing is going to work out amazingly well. We've got to replace that tank. We got a new tank. I don't know, it's sitting over here somewhere. New air tank we're going to put on there. We cleaned up the frame a little bit, slapped some new paint on there. There was a tag axle right here that we dropped off yesterday. We don't really need a tag. We're not going to be carrying that much weight. We're just going to carry one 2,350 gallon tank. There's a couple, they're back there somewhere, inductors back there. Got a couple inductors. We're going to have a spot for totes. We're going to have a spot for AMS. And this should make a pretty good trailer. So like I said, we cut the frame off, we dropped the tag off, we cleaned up the frame some. There's a platform over there that is going to be set on here. Well, we're making progress. We got a tank mounted. We got the supports welded on and the platform bolted down. We got the tank set on. We got the tank bolted down. We welded some bolts onto here and just worked pretty slick to get those. We've got a couple feet of deck up at the front here. There's the pump we gotta mount. There's one of the inductors we gotta get up here. And then we have all this space here. We're gonna build a platform, set of stairs, and have a spot for 2 totes up there. Inductors, all that, a spot for our AMS, and should work pretty good. So it's a 2,350 gallon tank. It worked out pretty good. It's centered really well over the rear tandems, so I'm pretty excited. It's coming along really well. So right now I'm just working on wiring up the lights on this, and then we could take it over to the welding shop and get the rest of the deck made, and then we could start laying stuff out and plumbing it. Oh, and we gotta run some electric back here to the pump and put on some floodlights and that kind of stuff, and we're getting really close. Well, I'm back out of the bin site this morning. We're gonna get a few more loads hauled this morning, and then I think head down and work on the tender truck. My GoPro isn't charged, so I can't hold the phone and drive at the same time. So we'll see. I got it charging on my battery pack. We'll see if I get it charged enough to get some footage on the way back or on the next trip. Well, I think that's about as full as I can get it by myself. We can haul extra right now. I can haul up to 89.9, I think, just shy of 90,000. I have not hit it yet, so we'll see. Okay, so that last load was only 88,000. So I'm gonna try it again. We're about 2,000 bushel short, or 2,000 pounds short of what we could have hauled, so this one looks a little fuller. We'll try it. Well, I'm done trucking for the day, so we're back working on the tender. The last time you saw it, probably saw the tank on there, but we didn't have this platform built. So we had the local welding shop build this platform, build a set of steps up and down on both sides. We're getting stuff laid out. I think we have it laid out the way we want it. So we'll have T coming out there. We'll have a quick fill over here, and it'll go that way. It'll go through the first inductor, which is just a suction inductor. It'll go into the pump. It'll come out of the pump into this pressure and the venturi, this inductor, and then out to that swing arm with the hose over there. So we have room up top here for AMS. I don't know, we'll figure out. Maybe we won't put anything here, maybe we'll have something here. We'll put jugs there, I don't know. We also thought about putting jugs in between these legs on the tank. Just put like a fold-up door or something and store jugs in there. And then we left enough room up here that we can fit 2 shuttles there. And then I'm getting, hold on, I got some bulkheads here. I don't know where the ground one went, but there's the positive one. So we're gonna put those, I don't know, I'm thinking maybe up here somewhere, so we can clamp the shuttles right to it, and then it'll run down to the batteries to run the shuttles. And then we'll also run power up to the pump right there, so we can just start it. Where's the key to the pump? Hopefully it's there somewhere. I just noticed there's no key in it. Anyway, we'll have power running there, and then we have on the air tank underneath, we plumbed a shut off so we can run an air line up here. So we'll put an air chuck up here somewhere we can hook a air hose into, and we'll figure it out so we can blow everything out, blow the lines out and empty them. And then we haven't figured out what we want to do yet for clean water. We might put a clean water tank on here yet for washing hands and that kind of stuff, rinsing out. So that is where we're at on the tender. It's coming along. I think it's gonna work really, really well. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. The day's over, and I am headed on vacation. We gotta go to a wedding in Texas. A little bad timing, you know, beginning of April here, but that's all right. We'll go down, have fun with the family, get back, and get everything ready for spring. So until the next one, thanks for watching.